This video begins with a serious and intense moment as a man stands before a judge, facing the consequences of his actions after being accused of a violent incident involving someone close to him. He chooses not to contest the charge, which leads directly into a crucial decision about his future. The atmosphere is heavy, and it quickly becomes clear that this is more than just a routine proceeding. It's a moment that could shape the direction of his life. As the hearing unfolds, the judge speaks firmly, making it clear that what happened was not just a simple mistake but a deliberate choice with real consequences. The focus shifts beyond just the incident itself, highlighting how such behavior can deeply affect not only the people directly involved but also innocent lives, especially a young child who may grow up seeing this as normal. This adds an emotional weight to the situation, emphasizing the importance of change. Instead of immediate punishment, the man is given a structured opportunity to turn his life around under strict conditions. These include staying away from the person involved, proving responsibility through work, completing community service, and attending programs designed to address behavior and improve personal growth. The restrictions also extend to his role as a parent, making it clear that rebuilding trust will take time and effort. By the end, the message is powerful and clear. Real change requires patience, discipline, and a conscious decision to break harmful patterns. The judge leaves him with advice that symbolizes growth and self-control, encouraging him to take time before entering any new relationship and to truly work on becoming a better person.
24/7.
And what do you mean 24/7?
She lives with me. It's just right now she's with my mother, because I live with my parents.
And where's her mom?
Her mom, she has it like 2 or 3 times a week. She's here in San Antonio. She has her own apartment, so whenever she goes to work, she leaves her with my mom. And on her days off, my mom takes her to her.
All right, you have an issue with violence. So why do you keep hitting on people that you claim that you love?
Mm. I made a mistake.
No, you didn't make a mistake. You made a choice. When you put your hands on someone, it's not, oops, I mistakenly punch you in the face, or oops, I mistakenly choke you. You're making choices. So I'm trying to figure out, what is your problem?
I was just very angry, and I know I shouldn't have done it.
Yeah.
I know it was wrong.
So you have your daughter. How would you like it if she's in a relationship and somebody's putting their hands on her? How would you feel about that? And for them to be saying, oh, it's a mistake, I was angry.
It would break my heart. It would hurt me. I would probably be very upset.
And so that's what you're doing. You're out here in the free world, putting your hands on someone else's daughter. And children learn how to behave in a relationship based upon what they see. So if your daughter sees you being abusive to her mother, then guess what? She's going to think, well, my dad tells me he loves my mom, or my dad says he loves his girlfriend, but he's always hitting on her. So that means if I'm in a relationship with a guy, if he hits on me, that will mean that he loves me. That's what you're putting out into your daughter's universe. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I work at Wingstop.
Work where?
Wingstop.
All right. How far did you go in school?
All the way. 12.
All right. So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life? I mean, we do need people to make wings, but I mean, is that your dream job?
No, ma'am.
Well, what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
I plan on getting my CDL.
All right. 6 years deferred adjudication, no contact with Kiana Richardson, restitution of $500, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. I'm going to order 400 hours of community service restitution. 100 hours of those will be waived once he completes parenting classes. And then another 100 hours will be waived if he completes a higher level of education or obtains some sort of trade school certificate. And then he will be responsible for the remaining 200 hours. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. the BIPP course. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Take in consideration 2024 CR 6362, County Court Cause number 728, 729, 728, 793, and there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors, and that includes your child, until completion of parenting classes and at least halfway completion of BIP course, the BIPP course. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
Okay.
Hi, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Do not put your hands on anybody in anger. Do you understand? If I could order you not to be in any relationship, I would. If there could be a letter on your chest to let women know that you have 2 assault family violence convictions in your life, I would have it embroidered in your chest. A for assaulter. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You had better start doing better and making better choices, and don't get in another relationship until you get an orchid with the flowers on it. Once those flowers fall off, wait until it blooms again. That will teach you patience. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Jacqueline Alonzo. And this is no application, and this is the last case we're taking.
As the video comes to a close, the tone remains serious but leaves room for reflection. It highlights how one moment of poor decision-making can have lasting consequences, not just for the person involved but for everyone connected to them. The situation serves as a powerful reminder that real change doesn't happen instantly. It takes time, effort, and a genuine commitment to doing better. The ending also carries a deeper message about responsibility and growth. The man is given a chance to rebuild his life, but that opportunity comes with strict expectations and the need to prove himself through actions, not just words. It's a path that won't be easy, but it offers hope if he is willing to take it seriously. Ultimately, the video leaves viewers thinking about the importance of self-control, accountability, and breaking negative cycles. Whether this moment becomes a lesson or just another missed chance depends entirely on the choices he makes moving forward.